I received a question today from Mick regarding the Amtech B1500 4-in-1 snap ring plier kit. Mick's question was, how do you change the jaws over from the ones supplied with the plier set in the pack with one of the other three supplied in the kit? Basically, on this side of the pliers you've got a mushroom head here, a bit like a nail head but slightly domed with a spring underneath it. On the other side you've got a toggle here. It's sort of a bit like a duffel coat buckle. It's got a slot in it with a curve at one end and a flat here, and all you do is press with your thumb on that mushroom head so you can turn the plate. The plate then goes in line with the fastener and you can pull it out, so that can come down there. You're then free to take that pair of jaws off, and we'll put the angled jaws on this side, so you can put those on there like that. Hold the pin so that that's like that. Put that through the hole. Press the spring, depress the spring with your thumb again, slide the bar through, and you've now converted it to using the angled circlip tips or snap ring tips. Okay, there is one other feature I'd like to show on this video. This set is advertised as 4-in-1, but also it can do internal and external circlips. So for an internal circlip you have the pins like my fingers are, almost parallel, and then as you squeeze the handles it opens the circlip up and takes it off a shaft. But if it's an internal circlip, you need to operate it so the jaws start out like this, and then when you squeeze the handles they go together like that, so the opposite of the first action. So as we have it here, this is now for an outside circlip where you're going to now push that onto the holes of the circlip, squeeze together and then pull out. I can also now put the jaws on, so it'll use external circlips as well as internal, and this means that basically you put the jaws on the lower pins like that, and now exactly the same as before, push the pin through and allow the bar to slide through. You've now got it set so the fingers are splayed out, the pins on the end of the snap ring pliers, and then when you squeeze it closes the circlip down in diameter, and then you could put it through a housing or a gearbox or whatever you're dealing with. So it's 4-in-1, but it can be used for internal and external snap rings, which is the American term, or circlips if you're on this side of the pond. I hope that helps, Mick. If not, please ask another question on amtechdiy.com.